Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show how to put this HK vp9. I'm going to show how to put it back together. In case you lose any pieces or just take everything out and don't know where it goes, I'm just going to show where the basic parts and pieces go. So now I have it all disassembled. Just going to show the inside in case you lose any other parts. And you can see, in case you took this pin out, the one for this square piece, let me show you the way it goes. This side goes up right there, so you can see through that hole right there. That's where you put this pin. You always put the pin first where the smooth side, and this threaded side, this one goes last. So make sure the hole is aligned. Then we can push it all the way to the other side later on. So that's how it goes. Let me show you this. To put this back together, then you have to make sure this hammer is down, or at least straight, not all the way down, but straight, so that way you have access to have this bushing inside this chamber. So that's how you put it. Make sure this seal, it goes straight here, so you don't damage it. Oh, this one goes first, of course. I don't know if you can see, but you're gonna have better light than what I do. So of course there's some guides here, and you're gonna feel when you're gonna see. Yep, that's where it goes. Put it all the way back. Then you first make sure that you don't have the same problem that we talked about in the last video about this trigger not engaging. If you already saw the other video, then you're good to go now. Make sure that's where it is. So just leave it like that and put this first. Let me show you the other way. Put this first. And then the trigger. Before put the pins back, just check, hold this one and check that it's working. Alright, I'm just gonna put like temporary. The thicker one goes right in the middle, straight off next to the fake safety button or something, whatever. And the thinner one and long one goes right here. Same way, putting the smooth ending first, so that's the smooth ending first. That way you can slide it, and there it is. I hope this helps anyone who may uh, lost any other interior parts. So thanks for watching.